Okay, so we've taken the pumpkin and we've diced it. Obviously, taken all the guts out and everything, and we put it in our bowl. So we're going to microwave it now. Later on, we'll show you something else how to make the pumpkin, but in this case, we're going to make a good pumpkin stew. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of salt in there. Then we're going to put some butter on top. Okay, and then a little bit of cinnamon. Using Robinson spice. I think we should put a little bit more, to the equivalent of about a teaspoon. Alright. A little bit of salt, pepper, black pepper in this case. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to add a little bit of sugar. There we go, that's a teaspoon, another teaspoon, and that's it. Oh yes, and a dash of water. Not too much because the pumpkin is filled with water. Okay, crudely cover it, Diablo. Nice. On to the oven. Alright, stick it in the microwave. On 800 watts. 850 watts. 10 minutes. Right, Bob's your uncle. Okay, after another 6 minutes, added onto the 10 minutes, making 16 minutes, we have our pumpkin. It's all ready. We're going to add a little bit more sugar. 1 tablespoon. I've taken the juices off, as you can see, the additional juice that came out of that. That you can feed to the dog or to the cat or whatever. Chuck it out if you don't care for it. And we're going to put a little bit of more butter in there and stir that up. It will be quite soft. Obviously, after putting it in for 10 minutes in the microwave, I left it a little bit. I checked it. I put it back in for another 6 minutes. After that, I left it a little bit to stand. Watch out, it's very hot. We're stirring it up now. You can add sugar to taste. And voila. The more butter you put in, the more creamier it gets. You can use a little bit of milk instead of water from the beginning. But this is the best way to do it. Very nice. Take a little taste there and see what it tastes like. Very good. Nice. Thank you. Alright, so there's our potato. We're going to show you what we're going to do with that just now. Pumpkin from there to there, and we're going to eat that with steak. There's our pumpkin. We're going to do the same with the potato. We're going to microwave that. We've already poked it full of little holes, covered it up, and we're going to stick this in the microwave for about, say, 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, into the microwave. Bob's your uncle. Alright, there's our rump steak. It's a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, olive oil, a little bit of lemon juice. Left it to lie there for a little bit. We're going to put that on the fire right now. Alright. Nice, delicious. Alright, our potato, 6.3 minutes, it's out. Microwave did its job. Very nice. This is the same potato that we harvested earlier today. It looks delicious. It's very nice and white. The soonest you harvest it, the whiter it is. If you leave it for a while, it turns to glucose, which is a type of a sugar, and then it obviously shows a yellowish color. This is more whiter, so that's the signal of harvesting it earlier. Very nice. We're going to put a little bit of butter on there, and then we're going to put some sour cream on. First the butter. And then the sour cream. The more the merrier. And what is steak and taters without some good old homebrew pumpkin? And these are our miniature microwave pumpkin. Good for two. If you're big and strong, you can eat one if you want to. Delicious. Alright, we're going to add some baked beans to that. And that builds a perfect meal, if I shouldn't say so myself. Perfect and ready to eat.